But once you've made potatoes like this, you won't want to do it any other way. I've got 6 potatoes here. Then I'm going to take 2 barbecue sticks and put them into the side of the potato like this. Then I'll slice the potato. And it looks like this. Guys, this is the result. How wonderful! Once that's done, let's set aside and I'll mash a clove of garlic like this. Next, put 4 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan. Now add a teaspoon of oregano. Add the clove of garlic we've crushed. The next step is to grate Parmesan cheese. I'll add a little olive oil and then the grated Parmesan cheese. Now we'll place our potatoes like this, one next to the other. Once that's done, we'll brush the butter we've melted here on top. And now just put them in the oven at 200 degrees. For 30 minutes or until golden brown like this. Now I'm going to add a little more grated Parmesan cheese on top. And some chopped parsley. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.